Former 90 Day Fiancé stars Tania Maduro and Syngin Colchester have decided to split, but some clues suggest they may end up together. Tania debuted alongside her South African fiancé on 90 Day Fiancé Season 7. Their relationship started in South Africa when Tania was there for a vacation. When the two first met, they instantly connected, and Tania extended her stay to spend more time with her beau. The two didn't have a harmonious relationship, but they eventually got married towards the end of their season. Fast forward to October 2021, Tania and Syngin have decided to break up. Syngin confirmed that he was free and ready to mingle. Tania is also entertaining marriage proposals on her Instagram. She is also planning to create NSFW content on a new platform, where some 90 Day Fiancé stars are already available. Despite the duo heading in different directions, many fans still think they may wind up together. Here are some valid reasons that explain fans' assumptions. The major reason fans think Tania and Syngin may reunite is that they are still very attached, which may not help them move on or date anyone else. The two are still friends, and most 90 Day Fiancé fans think that that might not be healthy for their future relationships. Their partners may not understand their friendship. Just like Ariella Weinberg and Leandro, Tania and Syngin have a lot of love for each other. Syngin told a fan, "I still have love for her, she is a wonderful person and only wanted the best for me." His response shows that he still cares a lot about Tania, and the fact that Syngin didn't deny loving her is a big reason why his appearance on 90 Day. The single life will be critical. Instagram flirting between reality TV stars is a common thing. However, it is not common between 90 Day Fiancé couples who aren't together. But Tania and Syngin are an exception. The two continue to flirt on Instagram despite the split, which is unusual. In one of Tania's IG stories, she reposted an image that reminded her of Syngin, who is available on Tinder. In the photo, a couple was romancing in the bathroom. She tagged her ex and wrote, @Syngin_Colchester would always do this, haha, I am like, you know, I wake up with only 15 minutes to leave the house. On Syngin's 32nd birthday, she wrote a heartfelt message for him and signed it off with "Love you." With all these signs, no wonder fans think they probably faked their split to be on 90 Day, The Single Life Season 2. Many fans are convinced that Tania and Syngin will be together by the end of the season. A fan said, via @EXG, "This breakup is so they could be continued to be featured and that they'll wind up on the other way at some point." Well, Syngin and Tania's breakup rumor could be false because another fan chimed in, "I also expect them to get back together as a couple." At that time, Tania will get pregnant. If successful, they will try and get back on the happily ever after. 90 Day Fiancé fans' theories make sense, and it is possible that Tania and Syngin may not divorce and just find their way back to each other.